Running, playing, studying, even growing taller. None of that happens without food. A soft chapati, a bowl of rice, a glass of milk, a banana, a handful of nuts. These are not just tasty foods. They are fuel for your body. Inside food are special parts called nutrients. They help you get energy, grow strong, stay healthy, and fight illness. In this lesson, we'll discover carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, and see why each one matters. We'll also learn how to build a balanced diet and what can happen when the body does not get enough of the right nutrients. So what exactly are nutrients? Nutrients are the useful substances in food that our body needs to live and work properly.
You can think of food like a team. Different nutrients do different jobs, and your body needs all of them.
Some nutrients give you energy for movement and work. Some help your body grow. Some protect you from sickness. The first big group is carbohydrates. These are the main energy-giving nutrients in many foods we eat every day. Next come proteins. Proteins help build the body and repair parts that are worn out or damaged. Then we have fats. Fats store energy and also help keep the body warm. Vitamins are needed in small amounts, but they are very important for keeping the body healthy and active. Minerals are also needed in small amounts. They help with bones, teeth, blood, and many body functions. Now let's look at each nutrient one by one so you can easily spot them in the foods around you. Let's start with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the nutrients that give your body energy to do everyday activities. When you walk to school, write in class, play football, or even breathe, your body uses energy. A lot of that energy comes from foods rich in carbohydrates. Common carbohydrate-rich foods include rice, bread, chapati, potatoes, maize, and cereals. These foods are often a big part of our meals because they help keep us active and ready to learn and play. Some carbohydrates give energy quickly. Sugar in sweets or sweet drinks is an example. Other carbohydrates release energy more slowly. Rice, bread, and potatoes can keep you going for longer. We can call the first kind simple carbohydrates and the second kind complex carbohydrates. The names sound big, but the idea is simple. Quick energy is useful sometimes, but steady energy is better for a longer school day. That is why a meal with foods like rice, roti, or potatoes can help you stay active for more time. Still, carbohydrates alone are not enough. Your body also needs nutrients that build and protect it. And that brings us to proteins, the bodybuilding nutrient. Proteins are often called bodybuilding nutrients, and that's a great way to remember their job. Your body is growing all the time, especially when you are a child. Proteins help build muscles and other body parts. Proteins also repair the body. If tissues wear out or get damaged, proteins help fix them. Good sources of protein include eggs, pulses, beans, milk, fish, and meat. For many students, pulses, beans, milk, and eggs are common ways to get protein in everyday meals. Imagine building a wall. You need bricks to make it strong. Proteins are like those bricks for your body. Without enough protein, growth can slow down and the body may become weak. So when you see dal, beans, milk, or eggs on a plate, remember this is food that helps your body grow. Next, let's meet another nutrient that gives stored energy and helps protect the body from cold. Fats are another important nutrient, and your body needs them too. Foods like oil, butter, ghee, and nuts contain fats. One big job of fat is storing energy for the body. If carbohydrates are like ready-to-use fuel, fats are like stored fuel that the body can use later. Fats also help keep the body warm and protect some body organs. That means fats are useful, but only in the right amount. Eating too much fatty food again and again can be unhealthy and may lead to extra body weight. So fats are not bad. The smart idea is to eat them in moderation, not too little and not too much. Now let's move to nutrients that are needed in smaller amounts but do very big jobs. Vitamins and minerals are needed in small amounts, but they are very important for keeping us healthy. They do not usually give lots of energy like carbohydrates, but they help the body work properly. Many fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, which is one reason colourful plates are a great idea. Vitamin A helps keep our eyes healthy and supports normal growth. Vitamin C helps the body stay healthy and supports healing. Citrus fruits like oranges are a well-known source. Vitamin D helps the body use calcium, which keeps bones and teeth strong. Calcium is a mineral that is important for strong bones and teeth. Iron is another important mineral. It helps in making healthy blood. When the body gets enough vitamins and minerals, it can fight illness better and keep many systems working smoothly. When it doesn't, problems can begin, even if a person is eating enough food by quantity. That's why eating only one type of food is not a good idea. Your body needs variety. And that idea of variety leads us to food groups and a balanced diet. Before we move on, remember this: small nutrients can make a big difference. A healthy meal is not just about filling your stomach. It is about giving your body what it truly needs. So now let's put all these nutrients together in a way that makes sense on one plate. Foods can be grouped by the main job they do in the body. Energy-giving foods are mostly rich in carbohydrates and fats. They help us work, play, and stay active. Bodybuilding foods are rich in proteins. They help us grow and repair the body. Protective foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. They help protect us from disease and keep the body healthy. Now imagine a meal plate. If it has only rice and nothing else, it is not balanced. If it has some cereal or roti, some pulses or milk, and some fruits or vegetables, that meal is more balanced. A balanced diet means eating different kinds of food in the right amount, so the body gets all the nutrients it needs. No single food gives us every nutrient in the perfect amount. That is why variety matters so much. And when the body does not get enough of certain nutrients, deficiency diseases can appear. A deficiency disease happens when the body does not get enough of a particular nutrient for a long time. This shows us that food is not only about eating enough, it is also about eating the right kinds of food. Kwashiorkor is a disease caused mainly by lack of protein. A child with this condition may have poor growth and swelling of the body. Marasmus happens when a child does not get enough food, energy, and protein for a long time. The body becomes very thin and weak. Both of these conditions remind us how important protein-rich foods and enough energy-giving food are during childhood. Lack of vitamin A can affect eyesight, especially in dim light. Lack of vitamin C can lead to weak gums and poor healing.
Lack of vitamin D can make bones weak because the body cannot use calcium well.
Not enough iron can lead to anemia, which can make a person feel tired and weak. The good news is that many deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. That means including cereals, pulses, milk, or other protein foods, fruits, vegetables, and healthy amounts of fats in meals. When we choose variety and balance, we give the body a much better chance to grow strong and stay healthy. Let's quickly remember what we learned. Carbohydrates give energy, proteins build the body, and fats store energy and keep us warm. Vitamins and minerals protect the body and help important functions like healthy eyes, bones, teeth, and blood. A balanced diet includes energy-giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods in the right amounts. When the body does not get enough nutrients, deficiency diseases like kwashiorkor, marasmus, and some vitamin deficiency problems can happen. So the next time you look at your meal, ask yourself this: does my plate have a healthy mix? Small choices can help your body grow strong every day.